Welcome to My Empower Project with your host, Erin. We will discuss nutrition, fitness, becoming your own boss, and just becoming better every day. I invite you to join My Empower Project as we embark, embrace, encompass, and enlighten.
A little backstory on me. I grew up with aromas flooding the house on Sunday mornings. Incredible scents coming from my mom Pat's cooking downstairs in the kitchen. We ate food. We loved it. We froze some. We ate more. It wasn't until after my mom got sick and passed that a certain concept ever even occurred to me. We, you and I, don't eat food. We eat all kinds of things that are in food, and every single thing that makes up our broad slang term of food changes our brain, our immune system, and our future. We may not notice, though, because it changes us over 10, 20, 30 years, and that is when we will notice the effect on us. I thought about what I ate as I opened the fridge door each night after work. What I had eaten earlier that day and would later eat before bed had zero correlation to what I was about to concoct out of the remnants in my pantry. Did you ever hear about growing up? Drink ginger ale if you have a stomach ache, or warm milk before bed. Those helpful hints never seemed like crazy talk, so I find it ironic that current tips and tricks make us roll our eyes. Believe it or not, my mom from above and God placed small signs in front of me, and I started to learn and then choose to pay attention to the ingredients that made up what I pulled from my pantry. My diet was healthy. I was not overweight. I felt fine. Every day I ate cereal, a lean cuisine, 100-calorie cookie packs, fruit-flavored yogurt, granola bars, pretzels, dinner, such as pasta or mac and cheese or frozen meals, maybe more cereal, and then ice cream. Jump to 2013 and I first hear the words clean eating. And I learned about whole foods and processed foods. Then I learned about portions, then macros. Each and every one all totally new terms and concepts to me. It wasn't until even more recently I learned about how your gut makes the world go around, so to speak. The bacteria levels in our digestive tract control what we actually absorb. The nutrients we may be so proud of choosing once a day or once a week may be absorbed at such small levels, leaving us still deprived. Any inflammation to our thin stomach lining can wreak havoc too. Our bodies tell us something is missing. Not every headache must be allergies and daily fatigue from not enough sleep. Nutrients is the key word. Most of us have no concept of the ratio of macronutrients we consume daily, let alone the micronutrients. Now, no one should be measuring grams with a dropper under a microscope before they eat. But an overall awareness can go a long way. There is a reason Shakeology is my multivitamin, and I no longer take multivitamins from the store. There's a reason there is not a single supplement out there in the nutrition store, half the price or not, that even compares. There's also a reason I now smile politely when people think my ways are odd or extreme. To tell you the truth, for some months now, I have slacked on my exercise and also on my diet. But there are so many small things that had become my new normal that I completely forgot this wasn't always the way I always did things or ate. Those small things have made a huge difference in keeping me on track in the scheme of things when I feel like I'm off track. Proof like this even surprises myself, and I'm now a believer that the smallest changes are the beginning of a domino effect in either the right or wrong direction. I'm going to have a guest speaker who is a digestive health specialist in one of my next episodes. If this topic interests you, please subscribe and stay tuned to hear Karen drop knowledge on our guts.
Thanks for listening. I'm so happy to have you as part of our posse and would love for you to comment with what topics you'd like to hear about next. You can find out more at myempowerproject.com. Tap that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the exciting guests and enlightenment to come. Have a fabulous day.